In 1815, Indonesia's Mount Tambora erupted in the most powerful volcanic eruption in recorded history. But here's what most people don't know: it buried an entire kingdom beneath layers of ash. Archaeologists have uncovered the remains of an advanced civilization, now called the Pompeii of the East. Rare artifacts, homes, and even human remains have been found. Imagine an entire kingdom lost to time, only to be rediscovered 200 years later. What other secrets could Tambora still be hiding? Follow for more untold stories from history.